Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to be changing the oil on my Toro Timecutter with the V-twin commercial Toro engine. It's a 24.5 horsepower. So this has the easy drain oil line. Just simply pull it down. Once we have all the oil drained out, then we'll pull off the filter. Now that you have the oil drained, we're going to go ahead and pull the filter off. I like to take a couple of these shop rags, fold them up, and tuck them up underneath, because it does like to drip a little oil. Let's get your shop rag tucked underneath there real nice. Get your tool whiz out. Draw it tight. Try to wipe it all up. One thing you want to make sure is that you lube up this gasket prior to putting it on, and also make sure that the old one did not stick on to the sides here. Let's get a little drop of oil, put it around this rim, this seal here, before you replace the filter. Once it's tight, just give it a little bit more. Just hand tighten it. You don't want to over tighten them. Wipe up the extra oil. And pull out your rag here. Now that you have your filter back on and your oil's done draining, just simply feed it back up through here. It's quite a simple design, tool free basically, other than your oil wrench. And it'll sit right up on this piece here. This tube goes up over the top of this. And you're done. The oil is drained. Next step is just to add 2.5 quarts of oil. Once you have 2.5 quarts back in, just tighten up your cap, your fill cap, and you're finished. This is on the Toro V-twin 24.5 horsepower engine. Well, thanks for joining me again. I hope this video helped you out. It's quite a simple process to change the oil on this Toro Timecutter. It's basically a toolless oil change. Takes about 5 minutes to change the oil if you do it yourself. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.